I just caught the most beautiful fish I think I've ever caught in my life. Look at that damn brown trout. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I can't even believe it. What a beautiful fish. Look at the freaking colors on this brown trout. Unbelievable. You ready? Yep, go. Yep. Okay. Sick. Little hen, silly. Silly guy. Get out of here. Go swim further, you little cello swims. Sweet, dude. Alright, little release vid. Shoot, man. That was nice. Parks, thanks for the freaking net, bro. That thing is gnarly. Dude, that is a humongous cutthroat, dude. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm gonna take this. Yeah, you're good. That thing is wicked. Alright, here. Oh my gosh, bro. What a freaking fish, man. Absolute stud. Oh, what's the release? Dude, that fish is huge. Holy smokes, buddy. That was awesome. Dude, that was sweet. Parker, one of the founders of T-Time. Holy smokes. Big old sucker. Dude. Holy smokes, man. Dude, that's sweet, bro. There's a release. Oh, he's out. Get your swim time.
It's okay, you can swim away now.
It's fine.
Did you forget how to swim? Probably the longest release video on planet Earth.
Nice big fat brown trout. Whoa, whoa, my brother. He's ready to go. Let's get him out, man. Yeah, since you can how fat he is in my hand. Just a little fat Cello Swims burrito. What a stud brown. Stud brown. Another meaty torpedo we got here. Another hog. Batfish. Another absolute freaking slab. What a huge fish. Holy crap, dude. What a freaking hog. Well, there he goes. This guy did the favor of Get himself off. Absolutely insane fish. Absolutely beautiful fish. Look at the freaking blue on that thing. Went for the big bug too. I mean, that's the most beautiful freaking bug I've ever caught. Just look at that freaking fish, man. Let's get him back.
Yeah, look at this. It's in his side.
Oh wow. I know you got it. You got it.
I thought you got that one.
That's probably where he's fighting like a barn door, dude.
He must have went for it so hard.
Messy.
Sorry, buddy.
Trout.
So.
With the lay still on, dude.
I forgot. I had that still.
Isaac with a friggin' sweet round.
Without dropping him.
It's a video.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
There he goes. He's going.
Yeah, you're good. Go for it. I don't get him out. So if I do drop him, I can.
You heard about this setup though?
Holy meat torpedo.
I feel like right when you catch a fish, that fish is gonna fuck up your whole deal. You know?
Yeah, they do jack it up. Good. Oh, right into my. Damn. There's my fish.
Like this fish.
Dude, what a freaking sweet beast. You watch it rip. Got that on with a potential world record.
Nice fish.
Oh wow, that is a nice fish. Nice, Dad. Holy smokes. It was that Prince nymph too.
It was the Prince.
Yeah. Holy crap. Dad with a nice brown trout. Oh, that's sweet. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, dude. Got one back leg. Hold this, let me go in. He's got a jacked out leg.
They're so small, though, they can't fucking fit in their mouth. I think when
Alright guys, I'm running this foam line right here. They're jumping up all over. Of course they're not right when I get on video. But I've had 2 takedowns, a couple misses. The wind is blasting right now. There's another one. Now I can't really see where my fly's at, so we're really just gonna wing it. My dog. Real short cast because I can't see jack crap. There we go. There we go. There we go, boys. That's what we wanted right there. Perfect. Bring him in. It's like a good little brown, I think. Hey, but guys, I'll tell you something right now. I don't know jack crap about friggin' fish. No, that's a good brown, guys. Good brown. And I have a tiny ass hook on right now, so wish me luck, okay? Wow, that is a nice brown, you guys. Holy smokes. Boys, that is nice. Trying to keep him in the shallows. Holy shiz, that's a nice brown. That's a nice freaking brown. All right, let's get him up, let's get him up. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Holy shit. All right, so that was not the move, not the freaking move, not the move, boys. Okay, I gotta bring him in. Oh, he's a stud. He's a freaking stud. Guys, again, this is why you need a long ass net. And this is where you're really trusting your knots right now. Good brown, probably one of my better browns. Again, I don't really know much about fishing, but we're here. I hope you guys can see this. He's getting tired, he's getting tired. About to beach him. He's getting tired. He's getting tired. Oh, boys. It's a good fish. Good brown for me. Good brown for me. All right, come on, buddy. We're there, we're there. I'm gonna get you off the hook. Don't even worry about it. Pun intended. Guys, that's an awesome fish, man. Awesome fish. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. He's tired, he's tired, he's tired. We're in the shallows, we're in the shallows. Home stretch, home stretch, home stretch. Come on, guy. Come on. You guys are gonna see me eat it, catching this damn fish. Holy smokes. Oh, he's getting in the rapids. Don't want that, don't want that. Fighting this boy. Don't want that, come on, come on. That's why you gotta fish near your buddies, man, because this shit sucks. Come on, guy. Where you at? Don't want to pin down on him, but he's in there. All right, there we go. Holy shiesty. Nice. Woo! Boys, that is a stud. Freaking stud. Freaking stud brown on a tiny acid dry. Can you guys see that? Oh, frick, yeah, that was awesome. Man, he absolutely annihilated that thing. Boys, that's what's freaking. All right, guys. I just caught probably the biggest brown of my life. Absolute hog of a brown. I mean, what a freaking torpedo, dude. The head on this thing is huge. You can see how big he is next to my forearm. Let's get him some water. We're going to release city on this thing. You can see him kind of in the net. I mean, dude, this is one of the best freaking fish I've ever caught, you know, on a tiny dry, dude. What a freaking stud fish. The head on that thing, you can see how big it is next to my forearm. But we'll get him released. Oh, I'm so glad I landed that. That was fantastic. That was great, guys. Freaking fantastic.